Superstars, hey, this is Wesley $1 billion Virgin here. I can't talk too loud because my baby girl, she sleep right next to me. So I got to be a little quiet here, and maybe I'll wake her up so she can say hi to you. But listen, in this video here, I'm going to show you, this is probably the most easiest, simplest way for anybody, especially brand new on the internet right now watching this, to make some money, at least up to $500 per day using this free bot. So just imagine making money online using a free bot. It's just automatic little, computer code that does a lot of the work for you. So you can kind of sit back, relax, and make about $500 a day. That's about $15,000 per month. And remember, we're doing a $2,000 giveaway for the entire year. So I'm going to be choosing about 20 to 30 people, paying you out of $500, paying you $1,000. And all you got to do is sub to the channel, like the video, since they disabled the dislikes, and make sure you sub to all my other channels as well. If you speak Spanish, I got you covered. And this channel is the uncut channel, which I don't edit at all. I just let you know I'm transparent. I'm just a young black kid from Houston, Texas that made some money. So the first site you need to go to is Creative Jobs, which is, let me write this down, and I'll put it in the description below. I'll put a link below, cjinc.info. So I want you to listen to this. Listen, you hear that? So imagine basically getting paid to type. So this site is insane, and I kind of used this in the beginning of my career, and I get this to a lot of newbies that pay me $1,000 per month for me to do mentorship with them. And basically we have typing jobs, and what's the crazy part, they're gonna pay you up to $6 per page. So say if you just typed, and I'm gonna show you a bot that does all this for you, right? So you don't have to really do any work. $6, if you do 10 pages, that's $60 a day. That's not too bad, right? Just by typing pages in the bot that I'm gonna show you, so watch close. That's gonna do all the work for you. But this site pays you to proofread. You may say, Wesley, I failed English. And as a matter of fact, I failed English when I was in high school, right? So, which means I don't know how to proofread anything, but like I said, it's a bot that does it all for you. And they're going to pay you up to $5 per proofread job. So basically, the site's going to give you jobs. I'm going to show you how to apply. I'm going to show you how to get approved in the next 24 to 48 hours. And they're just going to pay you from your bedroom to proofread stuff, right? Translation, say if you speak several languages. They have so many, this site here, they have so many jobs. It's not enough people to actually do the job because people don't know about them. So that's why I'm doing a YouTube video for you right now, so you can do this and get started to get paid to get your $10,000 to $15,000 a month. And listen, all you gotta do is be a go-getter. If you can just relax in your bed and move your fingers right, you're good to go. So basically, if we click on typing jobs, we click learn more here, they explain everything to you, right? And look, they're gonna just pay you to type on online typing jobs here. And look at here, you want to get proofreading jobs here, $5. And these are the ones that I did because they just paid the most money. And the bot that you're about to see, it just did it all for me. It's crazy to think about, but it really works. And it works if you're positive, if you're a go-getter, and you're willing to persevere and make this money here. So right here, what's the crazy part, the average person here is earning about $1,000 every single month. Some people are making more. Some people are making $300 a day. And like I said, it depends on how it just depends on how motivated you are. What they do is this. Once you apply, you click apply for jobs, right? And you're going to go here and you're going to download the app. Once they approve you, it takes like 24 to 40 hours to get approved. They're going to send you a document like this. That's it. Like not this doc, but a doc like this, right? And basically you got to proofread it for grammar, spelling. And why do you think all these articles are online? You think it's just the company doing it? No, it's people like you just making $10,000 per month, honestly. Regular, single moms, dads, teenagers. I know a teenage, 18 years old, he's doing $5 grand per month. He told me, Wes, I'll never work another job because of this stuff. So listen, I mean, like this. I mean, actually do it. Comment below and let me know the country that you're calling from, because, well, it's worldwide. Anybody can do this around the world. So what you do is you copy this, and let me give you access to the dot. This is the bot that you need to use right now, called slickwrite.com. As a matter of fact, let me go back here, slickwrite.com, and I'm gonna put a link below so you can get access to all this, if just in case you didn't see the websites. I got your back on that. So basically, if you go back slickwrite.com, click on start the demo here. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't want to do that. Let's go back. Start writing here, right? And all you do is copy and paste the doc right here, and then click the word check. It's doing all the work for you. It's reading everything for you right now in front of your face, and it's finding all the errors for you as well. So look at that. Look at this. It shows you all the errors, all the grammatical mistakes, and it does it, and it fixes it for you. And all you do is take that doc, you go back here from the job that they just hired you for, and they're just going to pay you out over and over again. How many of you right now know you can do this? This is just so simple. Now check this out. What if you say, well, Wesley, that looks easy, but is it possible for you to kind of do it for me through some kind of artificial intelligence? Absolutely. Listen, like I said before, when I first made my $1 million, I started to help people. They were paying me $1,000 per month to do stuff like this for them. Because even though I make it so easy to do, people say, well, Wes, I'm a little bit older, and if you can just do it for me, I'll knock it out. And it was $1,000. I'm gonna be honest, they pay me $12,000 a year to do little projects like this, because they wanted to make $5,000 or $10,000 a month, which is not a lot of money, but it is for a lot of people. So, but what I'm going to do, because I want to open that back up. Now, I get it. I know you don't have $1,000 a month. Hell, I didn't have $1,000 a month when I first started this. Even though I used credit cards, I went in debt to make my money. But I don't want you to do that. This is what I'm going to do. Usually, I do $1,000. If you look in the link below, and I discounted it recently to $100, which means is I'm gonna give you access to me to do it for you. We're gonna do all this that you see kind of for you. And you can, as a bonus, I'm gonna give you a software that uploads docs, and it pays you like $29 or $40 like every single time you upload a doc. This is just some behind the scenes stuff, and I'm gonna do it for you, so you don't have to do much of nothing here. What I'm gonna do for the first 10 people, and this YouTube video is gonna be up for a while, so listen, every month, 10 people, I'm gonna give you everything that you just see. I'm gonna do it for you. We're gonna have software and artificial intelligence to do all this for you from scratch, which you just click a button like this and you're done for $17. If you look below, if that's what you want, $17, first 10 people that say, screw this, I'm tired of working a job, tired of going to school, I want to do something different. I understand if I don't change, nothing will ever change in my life. I'm going to do everything you just seen now. I'm going to do it for $17. And for 10 people, now if it's 11 person, it's going to be $1,000. It is what it is. So once you click that link in the description below, if it says 1,000, it is what it is, right? So first person to the party, you know, always gets the girl. So it's up to you. Vice versa with the guy. So listen, everything that you've seen, I'm gonna do it for you. Okay. Also, I'm gonna give you a software that's so cool that I use. It pays me about $40 every time I upload docs. But the great thing about it, it's software that does it for you. Which means you set it up, you click the link, and you just basically kind of cash in. I'm going to throw that in for you for free as well. $17, that's it. And, you know, I'm going to do it every month. So once you click that link below and it says 1,000, that means you were too late. You either spend 1,000 or you wait till next month. And once you see this video and watch it, you get it now. Listen, you deserve to have the life that you want, but you can't get it unless you take massive action towards you want to get. You have to remove your negativity and believe and be optimistic and understand there are people that are making money online, and why not you? So if you want the software, if you want me to do it for you, I'll leave a link below. Click the link. It's only $17 for the first 10 people right now. Much love. Let's go.